Alright, fam. So the lady at the grocery store today told me I need to be using my points to pay for my food. So that way I don't have to pay out of my pocket. So we're going to go ahead and make a whole dinner tonight with this $18. So I figured I can go ahead and get a rotisserie chicken. It's $6.99. You can make a meal out of this. They used to be $5, but anyway. And then to go with this, I figured we could eat some mashed potatoes. Normally I would get the regular bag and cut up the potatoes myself, but we only have $18. So I got to use my coins wisely. We're gonna go with the instant mashed potatoes. We're gonna get some gravy package. Normally I'll go ahead and get the $1.99 or the $1.79 packet of gravy, but we're gonna have to settle for the store brand today, about 89 cents a pack. You're making some mashed potatoes with some vegetables. I cannot make it without any butter. I would normally get this butter right here for almost $5, but I'm gonna have to go back to the old school days and get the blue bonnet margarine today. $1.19. Gotta make it work, y'all. So we're gonna need some milk too. We're gonna need some vegetables. You cannot have your dinner without the vegetables. So we're gonna go ahead and get the canned ones today. I figured some string beans would be good. 89 cents. You can't go wrong with that. Cornbread or something to go with it. I figured that'd just be an added bonus on the side. I'm gonna show you how to put this soul food dinner together like we spent $40 for it, but instead we're gonna spend this $18. I didn't pay any money out of my pocket except for them bags because I still had to pay for that.